Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Garden Basics Elongated Self-Watering Planter. The Garden Basics Self-Watering Planter is a great place to start if you're thinking about growing herbs at home. It measures 16 inches wide by 5 inches deep and is the ideal size for your windowsill, countertop, shelf, workstation, or balcony. You only have to add water once a week, thanks to the water-saving design. It also has a water level indicator, which allows you to check the water level at any time, which is extremely useful for new herb gardeners. At the bottom, there are drain holes. Indoors or out, on a balcony, a windowsill, a tabletop, a shelf, and so on. After 0.5 quart of water, each coconut coir disc produces 1 quart of fluffy plant fiber. Because the coir soil is deficient in nutrients, it is best to supplement with fertilizer. Simply add fertilizer at the appropriate time after adding water to expand it so that it can be used for a long time. It can be used in a variety of settings, including the home, apartment, office, desktop, outdoor, and indoor, and will enhance your living space. Flower pots with a 40 centimeters long rectangle shape. Number 2 in this best planters list is Fox and Fern Fiberstone Plant Pot. This Fox and Fern plant pot stands out, thanks to its sleek design and lightweight construction. Although it appears to be made of solid stone, it is actually made of a composite of stone and fiberglass, making it much lighter and easier to move. This indoor planter works well on the floor, a tabletop, or a tall plant stand. There are 2 colors to choose from, as well as a variety of finishes, including stone black and matte white. A drain plug can be used to either seal the pot or allow drainage. The wide lip of the pot reduces the diameter of the planter, which is the most common complaint about it. If you're unsure about the size of the pot you'll need for your plant, order a size larger to be safe. Lighter than ceramic or concrete by up to 70%. Frost and UV resistance make our Fiberstone plant pots ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. It's worth noting that the exterior is silky smooth like stone, but the interior is rough. The rim of these Fiberstone flower pots has a wide lip. This is a well-designed planter with a plug that can be removed. These pots have a drainage hole that allows excess water to drain out and keeps your plants hydrated to perfection. To avoid water damage to your floor, keep the plug plugged in when using it indoors. Our third choice is Umbra Trig Hanging Planter. The best indoor planters are just as important as your plants in terms of aesthetics. The striking design of this one-of-a-kind planter looks fantastic when hung on the wall. This indoor wall planter is ideal for ferns and succulents, but it is limited in size due to its vertical configuration. In wall-mounted pots, smaller plants with shallow roots thrive. Because there are no drainage holes, consider the type of plant you'd like to put inside and how you'll water it. These pots are ideal for use in corridors, restrooms, kitchens, and other areas where there is a lack of floor or table space. Smaller versions of these planters, as well as complementary tabletop options, are also available. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in this best planters list is Divine Dev Embossed Leaves Stoneware Planter. This ceramic pot clocks in at almost 2 pounds in its 4-inch size, so you don't need to worry about your favorite small plants blowing over in the wind. The embossed leaf design is very elegant, and it has a stainless steel net to keep soil from leaking out of the drainage hole. Matching saucer and planter pot with drainage hole. Each pot comes with a drainage hole pre-drilled and a perfectly matching ceramic design tray to drain any excess water. To keep soil from falling out of the pot, a stainless steel drainage mesh net is included. To protect the tabletop wood surface from scratches, another protective pad is included. The embossed leaves design is a contemporary look with a beautiful design. It adds a fashionable touch to your indoor or outdoor decor. If there is any damage or issue with the package or the planter pot and saucers, we will replace it or refund your money without any hassle. You can contact us at any time for a quick and satisfactory resolution. Our fifth and last choice is La Jolie Muse Outdoor Indoor Garden. The La Jolie Muse plant pot has the appearance of a high-end planter. It's made from a mix of recycled plastic and natural stone powder and has a lovely speckled appearance similar to terrazzo. It has 4 drain holes and can be used both indoors and outdoors. This lovely speckled white flower pot, measuring 8.6 inches by 6.7 inches, is perfect for displaying your favorite plants and flowers. You'll love them in outdoor spaces like your patio, deck, or garden, or indoors in your kitchen, living room, or bathroom. This planter has 4 drainage holes that are pre-drilled and built in, ensuring a healthy living environment for your indoor and outdoor plants. In this porous, breathable planter, your ferns, pothos, ivy, and spider plants will thrive. The planter is made of durable recyclable plastic and natural stone powder, and it is light enough to be easily lifted. These planters for outdoor plants will allow you to enjoy them in any weather. Built to withstand direct sunlight and freezing temperatures, it is fade, frost, crack, and peel resistant, allowing you to use it both indoors and out. For details, let's watch more.